2016 Dodge Charger 392 Hemi, Royal Purple or Crazy Purple or Crazy Plum Purple SRT. It's got the stock converters, comes with a factory X pipe, and we did a resonator or mid muffler delete on it. We kept the rear mufflers or resonators, each person calls them differently. Right there and right there. Go ahead. That's where we cut them off. 2019 Dodge Charger Hemi Scat Pack. And what we did after, there's the two cats still, there's the X pipe, then we did the mid muffler delete right there on that side and that side, and then we did a rear muffler or rear resonator delete right there and right there, and then that's what we just took off right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. That's how you let an engine breathe, man. Don't you guys hear that inside? Oh, yeah. 2016 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, 6.4 liter. Right there, there's the Scat Pack. What we did on it, still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it's got a factory X pipe. Then we put some Dynamax race bullets right there and right there, 3-inch. And then we just brought it back. And we'll put them some 5-inch tips right there and right there. They do.